And maybe on that note,
yes,
Chivas and influence the outcome.
Chivas and influence, but it's about 10-20%. It is 10 because they are also very clever. Abantu mbaroro babekire markup aria yanzionge yo lero paka mambia paka even election night. Wednesday you are going to have people who go this Chivas, but I want to tell our people esamas kaninya sao yo tulendete eve seria koletwa nerie ino ya sokiwe kaganje kya mwino kaliye but ekura according to what your heart and your mind tells you. Number two, I am hearing so many stories our friends while on the other side. The story which I've never told you. I have so much respect and love for Soro. I love Japheth so much. I have I don't know because it will be so wonderful. I also respect the position they have taken that they are going to work with the government that will exist. Lakini jende kubo kulinga ki awa murawa ya basande bane na inungu iko mulimu watu suma mwana wono ile inungu iko liteke kanja muwade chingo ya mwagolira abantu mpaka tukumetinga ki abashaba bagolite bakugura paka kirege. Lakini bono takonya kuruchitreti ngango chikokora kuboliki ngango chikotoibira muri chikura ngamuwade njera mo nganda tuwanjana tutanja. No, let us go, let us be peaceful on election day kurusa 10 Thursday morning. Allow abantu batare bagende bake chikura the way they want. Allow chikura chirendwe. Let us not have violence. Let the best team everywhere. But tose kubwa intubune team, I will tell about Usinga Ki, that is a learning experience on what we will do chikura chikochiko 2027. Tose kubwa, we will then have to decide to pick up so that toire the example of what good leadership is. Again, what we want to do in PC is not to change personalities. We have realized the leadership and personalities. Change only personalities. It does take over to understand it. Let us look for Abanto, Pabuateri Yanda, Yumonto Mutaka, Patagetoko Kolega Asigo change a station yete Kuru Kisi County and Nyamira County. Why? We have the resources. So nobody can tell me that those things cannot be done. We are just misbehaving, we are just bad managers, and we don't know what to do. And what we are arguing, this is a test case on how first of all, and number two, on the responsibilities to make sure that we begin to change. Why am I in politics? Simply because my responsibility is to make sure inyenko influence into community, so be it. But if it is because I want to be in this office so that I enrich myself for 25-30 years na college yaze akinya saya would nasiniro tenenka so njetingo tenenka njege ndongo kwa ziaze yukandumia ono lili mugo ndika nkole siasa tuliya abantu bana Matiang'i bali chimanager babe chimanager ego chabuikia point where we are looking for umuntu muya uzabanda bayaba chikoba in the county government. We look at my capacities, what have I done, what is my history. Not a single time na you go violence. Never. Not a single time na you petition anybody na iberu chukura usina ibire. Never. Not a single time for the member of parliament between Church North and South. For 10 years. Not a single audit query. Isn't that a record that somebody can utilize? And yet I am saying, but I must not be the governor. I must not. If there are other people who can be governors and they are better than me, so be it. That is why Ruto is Matiang'i. Kalinga injena that of a president. Ekundi adi amo devi. Nande na kwa tuwala chinko. Yasa ngawona yango odia wasaja kubisika.
Tuwa again.
Nkingo tuwa. So we are saying at least for the first time in 25 years we have a candidate. And is a nyamundi nkoroli litoko enda embutata Meru. Kogenda Kiambu matata bakakambara mainte. Ni mama tioni. Karasabazo tema wakisi. Bono iga twarore na imu mubwata kairi kabwate ngora mukebereri ekara twanyore to uru to gate uru mujya ga president twarota ngari chariri iri baidala sibira gando kaega yani se jindo tinda matukara to taikuru nyomba baga sibi bakarusia binera tata baga sibi mujya ga miaka 10 mali noro chunange tangi go tare trera so na intu to gate bana ki na intwe eto kurusia kairi gaite bigecha nyasanya kundi we are not going back na intwe otutage tutwara umuntu akarenga ngo watch news na bolinga ingyo mwambia kwa
tukorera abo manje mutegere byo sana.
Thank you so much, and I want to say your team, be a man is so